Okay, we're going to show that the ratio of r over t is equal to this root 2 1 plus cos theta over 2 sine theta. We're going to show that. Well, look at this AB here. It's almost the 2 sine theta. So we're going to use this somehow. But first, let's get at the t's. And first, to get at the t's, I'm going to use the cos rule again because it looks like a cos rule thing up at the top. But I'm going to use the cos rule thing again. But I need the angle in between. How do I know it's 180 minus theta? Well, this angle at the center is 360 minus 2 theta. And the angle at the center is twice as big as this angle. So we're going to take half of it. And half of it is 180 minus theta. Well, if that's true, then we just do the cos rule thing. T squared plus t squared minus 2t squared times the cosine of 180 minus theta. Well, the cosine, there's your 2t squared, and we're going to factor it out. But the cosine of 180 minus theta is the reference angle. It's the same as the cosine of theta, except that it's negative. But the two negatives turn that into a plus, which is good because we're looking at plus there. In fact, now when we take the square root of 2t squared, we're going to get root 2. We have to leave in there, and we're going to have a t out here. Well, we've got a way of looking at AB this way, and we've got a way of looking at AB this way. Well, we could just let those two things equal each other and then solve. We know that they're equal to that. If we let them equal to each other and solve, we end up with r over t is going to equal root 2 1 plus cos theta over 2 sine theta. I'm not sure that was the nicest way. Now I'm looking at it now, and I did it this way. This is true. And if I take r and I put it over t, the AB's cancel, and you tip in times, and you get that. But you could just let this equal this. Let AB, we know it equals this. We know AB equals this. Let those two things equal, and then divide by t, and then divide by 2 sine theta. That's just another way of getting the exact same thing. Anyways, we have two ways of getting AB. Then we can get r over t. And that's it. It's the right answer.